Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. Today, in your class, that is lesson 7 verbs in English language, I am going to do exercise B today. Okay, we are going to do today exercise B. Now you see here, underline the verbs in this passage. About my brother who loves reading up on Akbar. We have to underline all the verbs in this passage. Now, in my previous class, I taught you about being verbs. That is, are, was, were. These are the being verbs. Will be also is a being verb. Okay. So these are also being verbs as well as helping verbs. Okay. Then I taught you about has, have, and had. These are also, you can say, these are also helping verbs, and they show possession, they show belongings, they show possession. I have a book, that means that this is my book. So here this book is possessed by me, this book belongs to me, this is my book. Okay, so children, you have to keep in mind that these are also helping verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, will be, then have, has, had. All these are helping verbs also. Okay, so we are going to do this exercise. Okay, we are going to do this exercise, that is exercise B. You please see. Now children, until and unless you get the copies back, no need to write anything in the copy. And you are going to write only the exercises in the copies properly. Because some children are not writing properly, so you have to be very particular in writing. But some of you, most of you are writing very nicely. Okay, so you please write down only the exercise. Okay, now you see exercise B. Akbar was a great Indian emperor. Here, which one is the verb? Was. Okay, I am just writing in that way. Not 1, 2, I am not writing, just was. First one is was, you are going to underline. Okay, was a great Indian emperor. He had a huge empire. Okay, now you see, huge, he had a huge empire. So had, this is a verb. Okay, he was also wise and generous. Was, again was. Please follow. Now you do it in the book itself, with a pencil you do it. He was also wise and generous. Was. His coat had the 9 gems. Had. Okay. Had is the past tense of has and have. Okay. This is the past tense. Also, the 9 gems were 9 of some of the wisest men in India at that time. The 9 gems were. So were, because 9 gems, the subject is plural, so we are using a plural verb here. Okay, where. Next one, my brother is very interested in the history of Akbar. My brother is. Please see, is. See this one, my brother is very interested in the history of Akbar. So my brother is, here is the verb. Okay, is the verb here. This is the being verb. Now next one, he has loads of books on the subject. He has loads of books. Has. He has. Because the sentence is in the present tense, so we are using has. And he, because the subject is also singular, third person singular. He has loads of book on the subject. He is third person singular, keep in mind. So we are using has. Okay. My father is very happy with him for his hard work. My father is, again is, because the subject is my father. Okay. Is singular subject, my father. So we are using here, this is third person, so we are using here is. Okay, my father is very happy with him for his hard work. My parents have a surprise for his birthday. My parents have. We are using the verb have here. Why? My parents. Because you see the subject my parents. Means father and mother both. So we are using it as have here. If we are using the subject as plural subject we are using, it will be, the verb will always be have. Okay. If the sentence is according to the sentence, we are putting the verb. So my parents have a surprise for his birthday. We have a song on the 9 gems for him. Again we have. Okay. We have a song on the 9 gems for him. Although we are all terrible singers. We are all terrible singers. Again here you see, with we are using are. Okay, are. We are all terrible singers. Okay. Now please see children, once again I shall repeat. You please see. Akbar was a great Indian emperor. Was is the verb. He had a huge empire. Had is the verb. He was also wise and generous. Was is the verb. His court had the 9 gems. Had is the verb. The 9 gems were 9 of some of the wisest men in India at that time. Where is the verb? My brother is very interested in the history of Akbar. Is the verb. He has loads of book on the subject. Has is the verb. My father is very happy with him for his hard work. Is the verb. My parents have a surprise for his birthday. Have is the verb. We have a song on the 9 gems for him. Although we are all terrible singers. Have is the verb in the first part, and in the second part are is the verb. Okay. Have and are is the verb. Okay. So children, please underline the verbs in this passage. Which are the verbs you please underline. Please go through this paragraph or passage you can say, and just go through what are verbs. Verbs are doing words. They show that an action is being done. Please go through the lesson, that is lesson 7, verbs. Thank you.